is up, car guys? It's your DCS right here, and in today's show, I've got the Hot Wheels series back. Okay, no surprise in that. And the car, guys, the car is the thing to talk about because it's a very special one. It's got 4 out of 10 in HW Rescue. It's not the same without the Hot Wheels fame, but that's not the thing right here. This classic car is a very well-known Beamer. It's the 1992 BMW M3 E30. Ah, that classic sedan type look. It's a very fun to drive car. Even after 30 years, this is one of the best looking BMWs of all time. I really like the design of it. And guys, the BMW M lineup started from the M3 E30. That's so cool. So that's how the M badge came in action, from this car. It started. That's so damn cool, guys. So yeah, now it's in the cop car form, in the German cop car form, which really doesn't suit it, but you know, it's okay. So alright, before we get into more of its details and stuff, I just want to talk about the previous video which I uploaded, because that was also a very slick and cool truck. Yeah, it was a truck. The Ford Ranchero, guys. Check out for more info. It'll be up in the screen right here. If you haven't watched that video, go for it. So yeah, time about the previous week's quick quiz. So the question, it was, okay, when was the first gas-driven car made? So the answer is 1885. So whoever answered that, congratulations, especially Daman.s. He was the first one to comment the answer. Congratulations, Daman.s, you've got the right answer. So come on, guys, is Daman.s the only one answering? Why not others? Just come up with your answers. But not today, guys, because there's no quick quiz today. So let's go for the unboxing of this Beamer. Alright then, as we unbox it, let's go for the looks and details. So, at first look, yeah, this car looks pretty slick. It's awesome design. It's really nice. It has a lot of carve outs at the front. You have the headlamp carved out, and even the grills are also properly carved out, but it's left blank. There's no much detailing to it. It's just lifeless. At least you have the front BMW logo. Quite misaligned, but it's okay. And you have the side view mirrors, which is quite impressive. I really thank Hot Wheels for doing that. And also the fenders are really large. That's what makes this car so wide. That is pretty cool. You have the blue window tints, but I don't really prefer them. And the interior is pretty common. Can't say much about it because I can't see it either. So you have your average spoiler, which is kind of okay type, I guess. It looks good. And at the rear you have your tail lamp detailing, which is not detailed. You have your average exhaust, which is kind of okay. Wheel rims are also pretty basic. I guess they're fine. Not so good. Well, there you have it, guys. That's it in the looks and details. And also this car resembles to the 71 Porsche, which I did recently. Yeah, check that video out too. It'll be in the HW playlist. So why don't we just go for the information now? So now, it's time to talk about the Beamers. It is the information of the 1992 BMW M3 E30, guys. So let's start off with the body style, because that's the best thing. It's a 2-door coupe, guys, and talking about its production, it actually began at 1986 and it ended up at 1991. This production run was of the BMW E30. It doesn't concern the E36 or the E42. So going for the horsepower, guys, this car packs up to 238 brake horsepower. That's really impressive at its time. Going for the engine, you either can choose between 2-liter or 2.5-liter dual lower head cam inline 4-cylinder, guys. I prefer the 2.5-liter. It's also called as the BMW S14 engine. And going for the transmission, you have the 5-speed manual, and that's the only option. Sorry for the people who are expecting an automatic in that. Well, talking about the width, guys, the width of this car is 1,680 in millimeters. Talking about the length of this car is 4,345 in millimeters. Going for the weight, the current weight of this car is actually 1,360 kilograms. That may be of the 2.5-liter engine. Well, going for the 0 to 60 time, guys, this car does it in 6.5 seconds. It's really impressive, you know, back in those days, you know. Well, going for the top speed, guys, the top speed of this car is approximately 240 kilometers per hour. That's 149 miles per hour, close to 150. Yeah, as I said, it is a classic, so it was pretty cool at that time. Going for the price, guys, the price at present, it is ranging from $50,000 to about $100,000. That's a lot of money. because it is a classic, you know. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the end of the information. So now it's time for the ratings. Alright, looking at its performance and its looks, I give it an 8 out of 10, guys, because it is a bit lackey on the looks, especially in this Hot Wheels. So I give it an 8 out of 10. Comment your ratings down below, because it's the end of the information. I'll check it out, guys. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned till then. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your weekend.